It's fine.
We're gonna win, don't even worry about it. A shot we lose.
Oh, no, that's a fucking baseball player. Ah! Okay, I'm good.
Oh,
Alright!
I fell in a cave.
Pain?
I'm very low.
Nice. Oh, sneaky.
Oof.
I do not want to be anywhere near Grayer's team with Tony.
Oh, I found a spider dungeon.
It's all gonna mine full diamond because they definitely know how to play the game.
Yeah, play the game, for sure.
Yeah, play the game, yeah.
You mean X-ray to diamonds?
You're exactly it. Yeah, so
I'm really good at X-raying to diamonds, guys. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we're,
Wait, we need one of them.
it's the odd step.
Interesting. I'm gonna run south.
Maybe off-step him.
Ha ha.
Don't worry, again, I took more damage, but I found a golden apple in this fucking spawner.
Not good.
It's a curse. But if you're team with Zach, you always mine a 4 vein.
Yeah. Eventually. Somebody on the team will mine a 4 vein.
Oh, I found
Wait,
the diamonds.
Zach, were you VCing with like Nate and them earlier?
No.
When we were
I was
playing
not.
OCT?
I was being alone on my own because I'm depressed. I don't know.
No?
Just lonely. I was just lonely in there. I didn't even know there was a call going on.
Neither did I. I was talking to Austin about during that. Oh wait, there is somebody here. Full iron.
Oh, facts. Okay. I'm gonna boat on them.
Merch.
Oh, they're about to get so.
Oh,
like,
it's merch.
they're
Well,
about to get so campus.
they're so dead. Oh, you shot his boat.
Bro,
Oh, no,
we had the fucking cavalry coming at him. Holy shit.
I don't have a boat, so.
This is like a fucking like battle. Oh, he stole my boat! Pirate!
Out of 40. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, the snipe! Crack.
No, I'm going to Oh, spawner. No spawner.
Wait,
I'm curious
Azoof,
on where
you're
this-
digging on Rohan?
Yeah, I'm just curious on where this goober.
Oh,
Oh,
Rohan's
right
right here!
Oh,
he's-
facts. 55, 39, 19.
This combo did absolute
Oh.
shit out of him.
Shit.
Can I have
Peebo, baby, let's go.
the chest plate?
Some kills for the boys.
Yeah, there's a sharp
Six,
theory
six,
iron.
four.
Here you go, ethodog. Take it.
AK go.
Oh, you're dead. Yeah.
Oh, Azoof, no!
His sword
No!
did half
Shut
a
him
heart
off
for
you.
me. No.
Orion.
Shut the O's again.
Oh, we're getting clean.
Getting clean, what the fuck?
Shoot orange,
Oh,
shoot
shit,
orange.
guys.
Oh, Pup is just rushing. Okay, well.
Oh.
What the fuck was
wonder-
I
that?
shot you, ethodog.
I was wondering who just shot me.
My fault. Shot IC.
Shut I see.
Shot IC. 65. Oh, we can't. Okay, don't run too much because we're gonna get warned.
Zam's here. Shut
See
Zam.
him. Nice. I'll take a couple shots at Nut Sugar and then.
Oh, that was interesting.
Let me hit Kevin!
Rip Azoof.
Yeah,
it was
Azoo's
wild.
got fucking excavated.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
I
was
didn't
like,
realize.
He's got fucking railed. I'm so sorry.
I'm not gonna fucking rush Zam. I'm gonna fuck this guy up. Fuck you, Zam.
I'll come with you. Let's go.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
anyone
all
there?
three of us
No,
right
they're
now,
all.
all three of
No,
us.
they're
Oh, no,
they're all there.
They're there.
They're all
They're
there.
there.
Fuck
No,
that.
back up. Back up.
Never mind. Never mind. We decided no. Oh, watch right.
Oh.
Oh, punch.
Yeah, oh, kill him, Pup. Get up.
Oh. Oh. Fuck that.
Oh, I'm dead.
Shit. Zam's behind us.
I got Misha 54.